Hello everybody and Happy New Year. This is the first video of 2025. Wow, sounds weird saying 2025, but I received this Data IO 29B on December 31st, Christmas Eve. Today is January 1st when I'm filming this, so it is 2025. This unit was DOA, Dead on Arrival. And I was kind of curious, before I condemn it to the parts bin, what if there was any life in it. Because generally what happens in these is the filter board right here. And unlike some other programmer companies, we have schematics. Yes. So we can go through this and we can diagnose these units. We can keep them alive, keep them running. I mean, they're not the clearest schematics in the world, but they are schematics. And this is the filter board or the power supply board. The capacitors go bad, then they pop fuses. I'm not going to bother checking any of that. I just want to know if this thing has life. So I have disconnected this filter board right here, or the power supply board right here. Known good Data IO 29B. Here is the dead Data IO 29B. We're going to plug that in right there, and we're going to power it up. We have life. It beeps. That's a good thing. Now, if you did not have a pack right here, yeah, Unipack, multi-pack, Logipack, any of them will work. That's this one here. That would drop in right there. What you're going to do is there's two jumpers, or two test points, and those test points are right here. If I can get the angle right with it plugged in, which is, I'll grab a poker for pointing. I'm ill prepared. Let's grab a pinky. Okay. So you have two test points. You have a test point 2 right there, and a test point 3 right there. These things are heavy. Hard to do that with one hand. I could just move the camera, but then I'd have to reposition on the tripod. But so you're just going to need a jumper wire. And you're going to go from test point 2 to test point 3. And you should be able to power it up. And we get a system EEPROM error. So this unit was totally dead. I will show that here in a minute again. Let's plug this in to its original board. Loud fan, dead, not even a beep. We'll jumper test point 2, test point 3. Dead. So this unit is not going to be condemned to the parts bin. I still need to replace all the electrolytics inside this unit here. I will burn me another set of good EEPROMs to get rid of that EEPROM error, and we'll give it another shot. So I'll link the blog description, or link the blog in the description, and Happy New Year. I'll give you an update whenever I get the new proms done, and I'll do the proms first, then Jumpstart it again, see if it's the issue. Because there could be other things on the board, most likely other issues on the board. But yeah, I'll give you an update whenever I have an update. So be sure to like, subscribe if you like this content. We'll catch y'all later.